Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our January challenge was to start with photos and then put your kit together. But of course, this is the last day. Our new challenge for February will be posted on the first Monday of February, which is February 6th. Now off to the memory that I am documenting. I am documenting two photographs of my Aunt Pearl, which is the oldest sister on my mother's side, which just passed in September. And that is her at 94 and at 74. I have Daisy white cardstock as my I have this flower pattern paper from Crate Paper, two other pattern papers from Close to My Heart. And then I have my Dolly thin cut from Close to My Heart, my circle die cutting system from Creative Memories that I've had for 20 years. I have some rub-ons from 49 and Market called Tribal Wave. I'm going to use possibly some frames here from Crate Paper, the Gather collection, which is the same collection for that flower pattern paper. And I have some puffy elements and word phrases from Simple Stories, and I don't remember the collection. The first thing I'm going to do off camera is do my die cutting. So I'm going to cut out my dolly, I'm going to cut out my circles, and I will be back to start assembling. Nope, before I do that, I am going to outline my Daisy white cardstock using La Pen in Teal from Close to My Heart, and then my black pen from Close to My Heart, a number 3. And I go around the entire edge with both colors. And this is the first time that I've mixed two colors together, and I quite like it. Now I'm going to start assembling this layout. And we're going to start first with the dolly. And in the end, I use that dolly probably a quarter of it. I just keep pushing it and pushing it further up the right-hand side. And you'll see that as I create this layout. Next, I'm going to bring in my circles that I cut out using the Creative Memory circle die cutting system. I don't know what you call it. And I'm going to arrange them over in the upperish right-hand corner and tuck it under that dolly. Then next I'm going to move to the bottom portion of the layout, and I'm going to add a branding strip that says Home Sweet Home, and then this tag that says Welcome, may all who enter as guests leave as friends. And then I'm going to use the 49 and Market Tribal Wave rub-on transfer sheet, and I'm going to start there in the upper right-hand corner, and I'll bring in my photographs to try to figure out my, placements for the rub-on sheet, and then I'll put some in the lower left-hand corner of the larger photograph. When I place it on top of the circles, you'll see, and I kind of cascade it and rub all around where I have that little journaling piece that says, Welcome, may all who enter as guests leave as friends. And that is exactly how my Aunt Pearl was. She would feed you the last of her food and would not eat just to make sure that you ate. She was an awesome caretaker. She was a nurse for many, many years. And she also was a fantastic knitter and crocheting. Oh my gosh. It's unbelievable, her talent. All right. As you watch me use the Tribal Wave rub-on transfer sheet from 49 and Market, let me remind you that I will have Becky and Kathy's link to their channel listed below in the description box. So please be sure to go over to their channel and see their last layout that they created for the month of January 2023 for Mini Kit Monday. Also show us all love by giving us thumbs up that helps bring traffic to our channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I may not know that's looking for inspiration. All right, now back to my layout. So you can see this is where I'm adding some more of the rub on the transfer, and it has that mixed media look. Now I am using those foam words and icons, which are hearts and butterflies, on this layout from Simple Stories. Now I do change the arrangement of my title in the upper right hand corner. I do keep 2 hearts by the word love, but I am going to add the word, puffy word that says always, and then that small little puffy brown word phrase there. It says forever, and I cut only the word forever, so my title will read in the upper right hand corner, always loved forever. And I just love it. Now back to the lower left-hand corner, you can see I'm adding this pop of coral because that little word phrase card in the lower left-hand corner has some coral in it. So we add the rubber charm that's been in my stash, that is a bow. I add that little scallop edge, which is from an old Felicity Jane collection, along with that arrow, and then I add an enamel puffy circle in that little cluster there. And this layout is complete. We'll see you next time. Bye.